Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to book the cheapest international flight ticket. So let's get started. Here, you'll notice that most of the flights are priced around $4,000. Now, I'll share some tips on how to reduce these prices. The first trick I always try is clearing my cookies and deleting my browser history. Airline sites monitor your behavior, and if they see you checking the same flight multiple times, they'll automatically raise the price. Clearing your data history helps avoid this. You can also use incognito mode to prevent it from happening again in the future. Another way to find cheap flights is by using a flight comparison site. Just make sure it's reliable and up to date with discounts. However, the most reliable method I've found is using a VPN. Use a VPN to hide your online activity as airlines constantly improve their tracking methods, so they know when to increase prices right before you need to buy. The VPN I recommend for this is NordVPN. You can get NordVPN using the link in the description below. Once NordVPN is opened, I'll pick any random server like Brazil and check flight prices from that location. After refreshing the page, you'll notice that the prices of these flights have dropped from around $4,000 to the $3,000 range. This is a significant drop in price compared to the initial $4,000. Make sure to clear your cookies before you search, otherwise your data could still be tracked and affect the price. After that, repeat the process with as many servers as you want until you find the best deal. If you're wondering which servers might offer the cheapest rates, try servers in developing countries or the home country of the airline. You can also switch to a server in the country you're traveling to and see if prices change. As you can see, using a VPN can make travel booking much more affordable. Now, some might be wondering if using a VPN for this is legal. The answer is yes. It's perfectly legal to buy plane tickets while connected to an international server. If you found this video helpful, remember to check out the link in the description to get NordVPN and book cheap flights from anywhere. Thanks for watching.